Hi, I'm Alex Daly for Daily Driver. This Jeep upgrade is very simple. Modern cars are equipped with sway bars, front and rear, to spread the load from one side of the suspension to the other to reduce body roll and thus turn more smoothly. My 98 Jeep Cherokee Sport has a 26mm front sway bar. There was a couple different sizes available up front, and on a Jeep Cherokee, you are not guaranteed a rear. Now, when you off-road in a Jeep, the sway bar is a hindrance for independent wheel travel. Fancy 4x4s like early JK Rubicons come with failure-prone electronic disconnects. Alternatively, it's not super hard to take off your stock links at the trail and bungee the bar out of the way. These JKS sway bar disconnects for 0 to 4 inch lifts are a well-engineered and cleaner solution. They fit only the best Jeeps, TJ, XJ, ZJ, and MJ. I got one side done. Join me for the other. Go back.